Experience a new way to explore the water with the Saturn 8.6-foot ultra-portable sit-on-top Kayak SOT 260. Combining cutting-edge design with effortless functionality, this kayak is built for adventurers seeking convenience and performance without compromise. The sleek design inflates swiftly straight out of the bag, transforming into a fully functional kayak in minutes. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to transport and store, yet sturdy enough to handle diverse aquatic environments. Power meets innovation with the integrated electric fin, equipped with waterproof lithium-ion batteries that provide seamless cruising at impressive speeds. Engineered for precision, the kayak's removable fins ensure smooth, straight-line performance, while thoughtfully added features like gear tracks and bungee holders offer adaptability for every adventure. Every element, from the strategically placed handles to the front D-ring for docking, is designed to enhance your experience. The Saturn SOT 260 is more than a kayak. It's your gateway to endless exploration, combining portability, power, and ease in one revolutionary package. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a weekend adventurer, this kayak is ready to accompany you on your next great journey.